Buddha was a kind teacher. He lived in India a long time ago. His name was Siddhartha. He became Buddha. It means the one who knows. Buddha taught us to think good thoughts. Good thoughts make us happy. Bad thoughts make us sad. Think like this: I am strong. I can do it. This is positive thinking. Our mind is like a garden. Plant happy seeds. They grow into pretty flowers. Do not plant angry seeds. They grow into ugly weeds. One day, a man yelled at Buddha. He was very mad. But Buddha smiled. He said, "Your anger is like a gift. If I do not take it, it stays with you. So, stay calm. Do not let anger win." Buddha had 4 big truths. First, life has some pain. Like when you fall down. Second, pain comes from wanting too much. Third, you can stop the pain. Fourth, follow a good path. The path has 8 steps. 1 step is right thinking. Think kind words. Be nice to yourself. Be nice to friends. Positive thinking helps kids like you. It makes you smile more. It helps you make friends. When you wake up, say, "Today is fun." At night, think of happy things. Try sitting quiet. This is meditation. Breathe in and out. Let go of worries. Your mind gets clear. You feel joy. Buddha said, "What we think, we become." So, think good. Act good. Live happy. You can do it.